I do? Oh yeah. Hi everyone and welcome back. So, a while ago, where am I supposed to look for this? Oh, right there. Okay. A while ago, I bought a gaming table off of Facebook Marketplace because I wanted to get into tabletop and maybe stream and all that. And I'll be honest, that person had no idea what they were doing. This is the felt top. As you can clearly see, they left it out in front of a window, so I have that on order. I'm going to fix that. And if I turn you around, right, yeah, here is the table. I'm in the process of adding more support so it doesn't wobble as much. So, yeah, I'm going to recut piece of wood because I have a piece of wood over there for something. Because I already cut it wrong, and apparently one piece of wood, the one length of piece of wood that I have is enough to do both sides, and then I have to figure out if I want to stain it or if I'm just going to leave it. To be honest, I'm probably going to stain it, but I won't do it until everything is done, because what I want to do with this table is a lot. Yeah, because I'm going to go look at Home Depot and see what they have there, like LED wise, because if Home Depot has LEDs, I'm going to just say bump it and buy it, because I want to get this project done, and then I'll figure out power, and I'll figure out data. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put data to this table because I'm going to end up getting cameras to put on it so I can stream a lot better. Yeah. So I'm going to go do all that. I'll probably not... I'm not going to film in the store. Yeah, so I'm going to go see what Home Depot has and their pricing. And I'll probably come back. Yeah, I'll come back and film another section. And it'll probably end up being like a separate part with the felt, because I don't know how to do upholstery or whatever that's called, because I'm not a carpenter. Yeah. I'm realizing I'm just rambling, and I should probably stop this part by now. I don't even know how long this clip is. Yeah, so I'm going to go do that. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, so I just got out of Home Depot. Yes, they had the LED strips. But for 16 feet, they wanted like $50. No, I would rather go on Amazon and spend that same price for 150 feet. Because I think for that whole table, I'm going to need about 40-ish. Yeah, maybe about 40. So, that'll probably be something I do later. You'll hear that a lot throughout the series. Alright. It's been a couple hours. I'm back home. I did a lot of work off camera with it. Mostly because I didn't need judgment. So, yes, it's still a mess. But I ended up putting a... How do I do this again? A cross brace in it. But looking at it on camera, it's not right. Oh well, whatever. It doesn't move as much, and once the felt... I'll come back to this ugly face. Once this goes in with the new felt, in theory, it should be more stable. And then I just have to do one of two things. Either find the find a stain that matches this shell, or let me go that far out. Or do it my way, which is literally just leaving it this color. Actually, leave a comment down below. And I think as of right now, that's where I'm going to leave it, because I'll wait until the felt comes in, check that out, which I think that said that's going to be in a couple days. I don't know. I don't really remember. I'd have to look at the order. And then in the next half a month, actually, this is a lot more stable than it was before. Wow. I should have done two. Do I have enough? I have this. I could cut this down and add another brace. So move this one to the corner and put that into each corner. But I don't want to, I might actually, let me just show you. Like, I might just move this brace. Where's my phone? My finger. Might move this brace over a little. And then put the second one over there somewhere. So there's not that much play in it. But I'm gonna think about all that. Or better yet, you tell me. Because by the time this video comes out, knowing me, I probably would have... Probably by the time this video comes out, I would not have done anything more with it. So... yeah. And I realized I should probably show a picture of what it looks like. So I'll probably put that as I'm talking about it right now, like in this area maybe. But yeah, it was a Facebook Market find. For the price I paid for it, which I think I paid I think the listing said it was 100, but I paid, I think 80. Yeah, I paid 80, which for the wood alone, that's worth it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do yeah. I don't know. I'm just rambling at this point. I'm trying to get my thoughts in line with it. But yeah. Oh, not the iPad. I know it's dark. I don't. So I found. Not that. That was a gag. I found this. There we go. That's better. I found this at, I think Savers. Yeah, it's Savers. I'm gonna buy a charger, and we're gonna do a video on it. The research that I have done with it so far shows... Can I turn my light on? I don't feel like turning my lights on. I didn't know if the flashlight was able to turn on. But so this is a Surface, but if you see what that says, maybe it's a RT. So what that means is this is a Windows RT Surface. I forget how much I found it for. It wasn't expensive. I think I found it for like maybe $10. Get out of my way, microphone. So I'm gonna buy that charger for it, and we're gonna do a video. Yeah. And also I'm over here just playing with the new release of iPad OS 27 or whatever it is. No, 26. Granted, I've been playing with it for the past 3 months, but I mean, it's nice. I don't like liquid glass, and I've said that from the beginning. You probably have seen what I wrote to somebody on Twitter or X or whatever it's called about it. Yeah. That's about it. You can leave now. That was a weird video, huh? If you want to see more, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Because supposedly that bell does something. I don't know. Only you know. YouTube algorithm nonsense, whatever. I don't know. So, like I said before, remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more, click on one of these videos.